Highlight video from our live trading chat room at GreatStockPicks.com on Thursday, August 4th. A few calls in. I'm a little embarrassed because I traded, I think, 3 or 4 trades today myself, and I think that's about how many calls I made. I was green on all of them, but they were all longs. So I guess I could be proud in the fact that of the fact that the Dow's down 500 some points and made money on all my longs. However, we have methods in place. And I've been on vacation for 8 days, as you know, up until yesterday we were back. And I told everybody I'm trying to get kind of a feel for the market. Of course, I know the market's weak. But I did say in the pre-market when it was gapping down after yesterday's bounce, this market's in trouble. And I should have been looking for shorts. We have methods in place. They give pretty crystal clear triggers on shorts. And several stocks did that for us today, and I didn't call them. So that's on me. But I will talk about the few calls that I had that are long. Of course, when the market opens, there's no way of knowing you're going to be down 500 points. That doesn't happen very often. But anyway, here's my calls from the day. PCS, here's the daily chart. It's just been getting killed for a couple days. I'll add in today's candle. Another ugly day. It'll be back on Bounce Watch tomorrow. But on this initial sell-off today, this often happens when you're down big a couple days in a row and then you sell off a third day. Oftentimes, after this initial sell-off, you get a nice bounce. And so using a method that I teach in our chat room. I called this at $9 even. Okay, called it long right here on this green candle. And literally within about 6 minutes, it was at $9.44, and I sold out quickly into that. So a real nice trade, and a lot of our members did well on that one too. A lot of thank yous for that one. So PCS, I mean, you can get a 44-cent move in about 6 minutes. That's wonderful. You always want to take advantage of that and sell into the strength. And PCS worked great. Actually closed fairly well. So it'll be back on Bounce Watch tomorrow. LVS, I called in here amidst this mix. It looked like this actually when I called it. I called it at 44.24. And within about 4 or 5 minutes again, it was at 44.60. This doesn't look like much. But that's not a bad move. That's that's over a 30-cent move in just about 4 or 5 minutes. Plenty of time to put some money in your pocket. Another one was RIM 2370. Right. Let me try to figure out where I called RIM here. 2370 was right in here in this area with a worst case stop. 13 cents below. And again, this doesn't look like a big move, but from 23.70 went to 24.11. So still a nice move, plenty of time. I mean, over a half hour you had to just decide where to take your profits. It did end up taking out the low of the day after that, but still a nice profitable call. ENTR, which gapped down huge and was just getting killed, called in here at 4.11, I think, somewhere in this area with a stop at 4. It never did stop out, and it did make it to 4.57. So a nice percentage move from 4.11 there, maybe almost 10% or something like that, on about a dime risk. So that's the highlights from the day. I did not have a losing trade today. I'm proud of that, especially considering they were all longs, but didn't have any monumental trades either. Tomorrow, who knows what to think. After a big down day like today, I'm more inclined to look for longs tomorrow. But that's it. That's what we have for today. We will send out, tomorrow's Friday already, wow. Okay, we'll send out a wrap-up video Friday evening or Saturday morning on what we did in our live trading chat room on Friday. So until we talk to you then, have a good night.